Logging into an account and setting up your very first profile and account setting is an important part of InQI. So once you enter your password, username and password, or use Google or Apple to log in, once you log into the system for the very first time, you have to set up a few parameters, a few things, to be able to set up the account correctly. First, let's become familiar with the portal itself. So you have an area where you will create new projects based on the number of credits that you have. You have access to that. We will go through that shortly. Media is where you will have various documents and pictures and so forth. Reference binder is where you put in references that relates to your account. It might be building code requirements. It might be some reference architectural documents that you have. It is used throughout the account. So whatever you put into the reference binder, it becomes available to the artificial intelligence for understanding, for being able to help you with the future projects. Documentation tab is for InQI's documentation. There's always new content there to review. Send us a ticket is where you can open a support ticket with us, and one of our team members will assist you. Book a one-on-one is the ability to set up a one-on-one half an hour Zoom call with one of our team members so that you can get answers to your questions. It could be anything you like. It opens up a calendar and you can set up a chance to do that. Ask InQuest is our artificial intelligence. It enables you to ask project-related questions. How do I build a trellis, or what are the building codes? Those sort of things. But first, let's talk about your account setting. To go to your account setting, you simply click on your account, and you're taken into your profile settings. So the basic information is here. You could, in this place, change the role that you have selected. If one of these are closely matched to who you are, we will leave it as such. Addresses are the addresses that you have run into the system. It talks about your subscription level. Account is an important section. You can change your password if you wish to do so. Manage payment methods, and also profile as organizations. This is an important part when you go into setting up a group that will be members of your team. We will cover that in another session, but this is an area where you will be setting that up. So once you get into the account, the first thing you do is you set up your profile and your user accounts and so forth, and basically that's how you log in and log out into the system.